subject, why it came in our mind was because of a small incident in one of the cases which we were handling of drafting of agreements, and we were representing the builder, and the landowner was being represented by another advocate. And there was the entire deal went through commercially, everything was finalized, we were finalizing the contract, and there was one clause where the landowner was insistent upon that you must have a clause called that time is essence of the contract, and he was insisting on that. And we had no issues in putting that, but our client was not very comfortable. He said, no, आजकल delay हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है, अभी time is essence of contract लिखेंगे, कल को वो terminate कर देगा development agreement, things like that. So that one line was creating a big ruckus. The entire deal went through. It was like हाथी तो निकल गया, वो पूछ के लिए लड़ाई हो रही थी कि time is essence में उसके अंदर impact क्या है. So we did some research on it, and we found some very funny things coming out of it. Legally the courts interpret that line, time is essence of the contract, in a very different way than what we understand. The same agreement also had that in case of delay, the grace period मिलेगा, payment में delay हुआ तो interest होगा and all that. So when we started studying all that, because that also landowner wanted, we agreed to those points. Commercially they agreed, हाँ ठीक है, delay होगा तो interest बनता है भाई, दे देंगे, grace period वो दे देगा हमें, all that, force majeure clause and all those kind of things are there. It's a standard clause. But all this has an impact on the clause, time is essence of the contract. The moment you put all this, time does not remain to be an essence of contract whether you write it or you don't. The court will never implement that time is essence of the contract. So when this incident happened, then we said, okay, डाल दो, कोई problem नहीं, यहाँ कोई problem नहीं है. So when this thing happened, we realized that there are many such situations, many such clauses. We put, lawyers have a habit of writing very standard clauses, formats होते हैं, ये डाल दो, ये भी होना चाहिए, ये भी होना चाहिए. But we don't really understand whether it has an impact at all or it is enforceable, not enforceable. So then Manali undertook that study. 2-3 months she worked on it. By her experience, she read few books, took out certain judgments and all that, and she collated it into a form of this presentation, just to make us aware as to why are we getting stuck up on certain clauses, whether it has any reason to be stuck up on that or not, and just to give a little more clarity on how commercial contracts should be drafted, what should we focus on, what we should not. So now I ask Manali to take over, explain us everything.
So we'll start by beginning. We start